Welcome to ZG Laundry and Dry Cleaning Services. Located at 23 Lawrence Bankole Street, Saraki Adigbe, Abeokuta, Ogun State, Nigeria. ZG Laundry and Dry Cleaning Services is committed to providing an exceptional customer experience from the moment you walk through our doors. Welcoming our customers. Our friendly staff greets you with a warm welcome and a smile. We ensure a comfortable and inviting atmosphere in our reception area, making you feel right at home. Customer relations. Point 1. Personalized attention. We take the time to understand your specific needs, offering tailored solutions to ensure your garments receive the best care. 2. Quality service. We uphold the highest standards of quality in all our services. Our meticulous attention to detail guarantees that your clothes are returned spotless and well-maintained. 3. Prompt delivery. We respect your time by ensuring timely completion and delivery of your laundry and dry cleaning without compromising on quality. 4. Feedback and improvement. We value your feedback and encourage open communication. Your suggestions help us continually enhance our services to better meet your expectations. At ZG Laundry and Dry Cleaning Services, your satisfaction is our priority. We look forward to providing you with outstanding service and ensuring a delightful experience every time you visit. You can contact via this phone lines 09034301397 or 0805177811. Thanks for your patronage in advance.